morning, children. Today I will start the buffer solutions. Buffer solutions. Listen carefully. Buffer solutions means the solutions which resist the change in its pH value when if added the acid, if added the base, if added the water. No change in its pH. That solution is called as buffer solution. Any buffer solution, suppose these solutions resist the change in pH. Any solution, this is the buffer solution. The solutions, this is solution in its, add the H plus, add the OH minus ion, add the water. No change in these solutions, no change in pH. That solutions is called as buffer solutions. Buffer solutions means the solutions in which resist the change in its pH value, when small amount of acid, or base when solution diluted. The solutions which resist the change in its phase, resist means no change in pH. This is the solutions. If added the acid, if added the OH minus, if added the water, no change in pH. That solution is called as buffer solution. Solutions in which resist the change in its pH value when small amount of acid or base added, or when solution is diluted. Okay. Next, types of buffers. There are two types of buffers. One is simple buffers and mixed buffers. One is simple buffer, and another one is mixed buffer. Simple buffer or mixed buffer. What is meant by simple buffer and mixed buffer? What is meant by simple buffer? Listen, simple buffer means these are the solutions. Salts of these are the solution is prepared as salts of weak acid plus weak base. These are the solutions of salts of weak acid plus weak base. This is also, these buffers are prepared salts of weak acid plus weak base. For example, CH3, COONH4, Next, another one is mixed buffer. Mixed buffer. Mixed buffer means these are the solutions of, these are the mixtures of two solutions. These are two types. One is acidic buffer and basic buffer. These are the solutions. These are the mixtures of two solutions. Mixture of two solutions. Two types. One is acidic buffer and another one is basic buffer. First one is acidic buffer, second one is basic buffer. First one is acidic buffer and the second one is basic buffer. What is meant by acidic buffer? What is meant by basic buffer? Listen carefully. Acidic buffer means acidic buffer. These are the solutions, mixture of salts of weak acid and salts of weak acid with strong base. These are the solutions. Solutions, mixture of weak acid and its salts of weak acid with strong base. Weak acid with strong base. For example, weak acid, this is WA means weak acid, SD means strong base. For example, CH3, COOH, this is the weak acid, and it salts of weak acid with a strong base, CH3, COONA. This is the acidic buffer. Next we go for basic buffer. How to prepare the basic buffer? Listen, these are the solutions, mixture of weak base and its salts of weak base with the strong acid. These are the solutions. These are the solutions, mixture of weak base and its salts of weak base with strong acid. Weak, WB means weak base, SA means strong acid. Buffer, basic buffer solution, how to prepare? These are the solutions, mixture of weak base and its salts of weak base with the strong acid. For example, weak base like, that means a weak base like NH4OH plus these are salts of weak base with strong base means NH4Cl. This is the acidic buffer and basic buffer. Acidic buffer means these are the solutions, mixture of weak acid and its salts of weak acid with a strong base. Basic buffer means example of CH3COOH plus CH3COONA basic buffer means these are the solutions. Mixture of weak base and its salts of weak base with strong acid. Example is NH4OH plus NH4Cl. Next, acidic buffer and basic buffer is complete. And next go for working of buffer or buffer action. Working of buffer or buffer action. Listen carefully. First one already given, acidic buffer. Already explained the acidic buffer and basic buffer. First, acidic buffer, how to prepare, that means how to working the acidic if added the H plus, if added the OH minus ion. Acidic buffer, already given an example what acidic buffer. In acidic buffer, example is CH3 COOH plus CH3 COONA. Listen, in weak acid like CH3 COOH and dissociated, that means partially dissociated to get CH3 COO minus plus H plus, and another one CH3 COONA is strong electrolyte to get the CH3 COO minus plus Na plus. But if weak acid is there, if added to a strong electrolyte, here common ion effect, already given the common ion effect means we strong electrolyte containing weak electrolyte, that means strong electrolyte is added, acetate ion will be formed. In acetate ion will be added to the weak acid, the equilibrium will shift to the which side? Backward direction. The equilibrium will shift to the backward direction. Okay. If H plus is added, 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 then equilibrium will shift the backward direction. Backward. Which direction? When H plus is added, CH3COO minus plus H plus to get the what? CH3COOH. If H plus is added, then equilibrium will shift to the backward direction and will counterbalance H plus is added, so no significant changes will observed in pH. If H plus is added means, you can write H plus is added means CH3COO minus plus H plus to get the what? CH3COOH. CH3COOH. Which direction? The equilibrium will shift to the backward direction and will counterbalance the H plus is added. No significant changes will be observed in pH. No change in pH. Okay. If OH minus is added, if OH minus is added, then equilibrium will shift the forward. Which direction? Forward direction. Reason the H plus, that means the OH minus ions combines with OH minus ions combines with H plus to give the undissociated water molecule. That meaning H plus OH minus plus H plus means what? H2O molecule, undissociated water molecule. H2O, undissociated water molecule. The OH minus ion combines with H plus to give OH minus ion combines with H plus to give undissociated water molecule. Undissociated water molecule. Since no significant changes will observed in its pH. pH value. If small amount of acid is added, that means the equilibrium will shift the here common ion is present, the equilibrium will shift the backward direction and no significant changes will be observed. If OH minus is added, that means OH minus is added, the equilibrium will shift the forward direction. OH minus ion combined with H plus to give the undissociated water molecule, since no significant changes will observe in its pH. This is the acidic buffer. Next go for basic buffer. Next go for basic buffer. Next go for basic buffer. Listen, next another one is basic buffer. How to prepare the basic buffer? Already given. These are the solutions. Mixture of with some weak base and salts of weak base with the strong acid. For example, NH4OH plus NH4Cl. NH4OH plus NH4Cl. Okay, you can write the NH4OH in reversible reaction NH4 plus OH minus ion. And NH4Cl, this is the weak base. And NH4Cl is a strong electrolyte, easily ionized to give the NH4 plus Cl minus ion. NH4 plus Cl minus ion. If OH minus is added, to give the here common ion is present, OH minus is added to give the NH4OH, that meaning the equilibrium will shift to the backward direction. Okay, now you can write the if OH minus is added, if OH minus is added, then equilibrium will shift. Backward direction. Since no significant changes will absorb in its pH. Will absorb in pH. If OH minus is added, suppose NH4 plus OH minus to get our NH4OH. This reaction, the equilibrium will shift to the backward direction. Hence, no significant changes will absorb in pH. If H plus is added to get the water molecule, undissociated water molecule is absorbed, the reaction will shift to the forward direction. If H plus is added, then equilibrium will shift the forward direction. The OH minus ions the H plus ions combine with OH minus ion H plus ion combine with OH minus ion to give undissociated water molecule. So, no significant effect, no significant changes, will observed in pH. If H plus is added to OH minus ion combined with OH to give the which molecule? Water molecule. That means hence so no significant changes will observe in pH. This is the basic buffer or buffer action. Two types. One is acidic buffer or acidic buffer action, and basic buffer or buffer action. Okay. Next go for pH of acidic buffer. pH of acidic buffer. See how to calculate the pH in acidic buffer. Suppose one equation, one scientist, they given the calculate the pH of acidic buffer. Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer. Listen, how to prepare the acidic buffer? Already given the data. CH3 COOH, weak acid plus salts of weak acid plus with weak acid with a strong base. Okay, can write the CH3COOH, and so that means it reversible reaction CH3COO minus plus H plus. If added the strong electrolyte means what we can write? CH3 strong electrolyte. If added the strong electrolyte to get the CH3 COO minus plus Na plus. That means if added the CH3COO minus, the equilibrium will shift to the backward direction. How to calculate the pH? Only you have to take the first one. You can find the Ka How to find the Ka? Already acid dissociation constant of equilibrium. How to write this? This one Ka is equal to equilibrium. The concentration of products to the ratio of concentration of applying the law of mass action. The applying the law of mass action. Applying the law of mass action. How to find the Ka? Ka is equal to what? The acid dissociation constant of equilibrium. The ratio of concentration of products to the concentration of reactants. That is called as the acid dissociation constant of equilibrium. Ka is equal to CH3 COO minus concentration H plus concentration upon CH3 COOH. How to find the H plus concentration? Find the H plus concentration is equal to H plus concentration is equal to Ka into CH3COOH CH3COOH upon CH3COO minus. You apply the logarithm values and negative, that means logarithms and negative on both sides. Taking logarithms, log and negative side in both sides. Then write minus log, that means minus log H plus concentration is equal to minus log Ka minus log CH3COOH upon CH3COO minus. Then write the already negative logarithm of concentration H plus is called as what? pH. Negative logarithm of Ka, pKa. You can write the plus means you can write the log CH3COO minus upon CH3COOH. In CH3COO minus means what? Conjugate base. pH is equal to pKa plus log. This is the conjugate base. Conjugate base means salt. Conjugate base upon weak acid. Okay, you can write the conjugate base is equal to salt and acid, weak acid is equal to acid concentration. You can write the pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration upon acid concentration. This is the formula for acidic buffer pH. pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration for acidic buffer. Anderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer. Weak acid and weak salts of weak acid and strong with strong base. Here, acetic acid is dissociated to get CH3COO minus plus H plus. If added the strong electrolyte, a common ion like acetate is present, the equilibrium will shift to the backward direction. Okay, if you find the H plus ion, you take the acetic acid and apply the law of mass action. Ka is equal to CH3COO minus concentration and H plus concentration upon CH3COOH. Common H, take the H plus is equal to Ka into CH3COOH concentration upon CH3COO minus. Taking logarithms and negative sign in both sides, log minus log H plus minus log Ka minus log acetic acid by CH3COO minus pH is equal to CH3COO minus conjugate base. That means CH3COO minus means CH3COO minus equal to salt concentration and weak acid. That means CH3COO is almost which concentration? Acid concentration are equal to acid concentration. Can write the pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. Okay. Salt concentration upon if pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration upon acid concentration. If salt concentration upon acid concentration is equal to 10, can take the 10. If pH is equal to what? pH is equal to pKa plus log 10 means what? Log 10 is equal to 1. pH is equal to pKa plus 1 only. Okay, if salt concentration upon acid concentration is equal to 1 by 10, if we take the pH is equal to pKa plus 1 by 10 means what? Minus log 10 means what? Minus log 10 is equal to minus 1. pH is equal to pKa minus 1. This is the concept for acidic buffer. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer. Next to go for Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for basic buffer. pH of basic buffer. pH of basic buffer. Listen. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for basic buffer. Listen, already how to prepare the basic buffer? Already basic buffer is prepared by weak base and salts of weak base with a strong acid. For example, NH4Cl plus NH4OH plus NH4Cl. This is the example for basic buffer. Have to write it NH4OH in reversible reaction. NH4 plus OH minus ion. If added the strong electrolyte NH4Cl to get the what? NH4 plus and Cl minus. If added the strong electrolyte, here common ion is present. If common ion like NH4 plus, the equilibrium will shift to the backward direction. That's why if find the pH, first if you calculate the base and next buffer, well, you can easily calculate the pH. First, if you find the Kb, equilibrium constant of base, that means equilibrium, that means base dissociation constant. Then apply the law of mass action. Apply the law of mass action. Apply the law of mass action. Then write the Kb NH4OH. Kb is equal to NH4 plus OH minus. Already you know that the ratio of products to the concentration of a reactant is called as the equilibrium constant of base, NH4OH concentration. You can find the OH minus ion. OH minus ion is equal to OH minus ion is equal to Kb into NH4OH concentration upon NH4 plus OH minus NH4 plus OH minus ion. Taking logarithms, log and negative sign in both sides. Logarithms and negative sign in both sides. Ions, log OH minus ion is equal to minus log Kb minus log NH4OH concentration upon NH4 plus concentration OH minus concentration. This is a negative logarithm of OH minus is called as what? POH. POH is equal to minus negative logarithm of Kb means PKb minus, you can write the plus, this NH4 plus and OH minus, you have to write it this one, NH4 plus OH minus, PKb plus log NH4 plus OH minus concentration upon NH4 OH. NH4 plus OH minus is equal to what? You can write it NH4 plus, taking logarithm and negative sign on both sides, minus log OH minus and negative sign. OH minus concentration is equal to Kb into NH4OH concentration upon NH4 plus, taking logarithms and negative sign in both sides, minus logarithm and negative logarithm of OH minus ion, minus log Kb minus log NH4OH by NH4 plus, POH is equal to PKb, then add a plus this denominator, that means NH4 plus concentration upon NH4OH. In NH4OH, NH4 plus means you can NH4 plus is equal to salt concentration. NH4OH concentration is equal to base concentration. Okay, POH is equal to what? POH is equal to PKb plus log salt concentration by base concentration. You can find the pH. Already one equation, pH plus POH. This is the basic buffer. pH plus POH is equal to what? 14. pH is equal to what? 14 minus POH. The pH is equal to what? pH is equal to 14 minus POH means PKb plus log salt concentration upon base concentration. Salt concentration upon base concentration. This is the pH of basic buffer. Then under that, here the basic buffer is prepared as NH4OH plus NH4Cl, and NH4OH is dissociated to get the NH4 plus and OH minus ion. If added the strong electrolyte to get the NH4 plus, here common ion is present. Here common NH4 plus is added to the NH4OH. The equilibrium will shift to the which side? Backward direction. Okay. If find the pH POH values, you can first equation apply the law of mass action. Kb means what? Equilibrium constant of base. Already you know that equilibrium constant, the ratio of products to the ratio of concentration of reactants. Kb is equal to NH4 plus OH minus concentration upon NH4OH. If you have to write the OH minus ion, Kb into NH4OH by NH4 plus, taking logarithm and negative sign in both sides, minus negative logarithm of OH minus is equal to minus log Kb minus log NH4OH by NH4 plus concentration. Then negative logarithm of OH minus concentration is called as POH. POH is equal to pKb plus log NH4 plus concentration by NH4OH. POH is equal to pKb plus log salt concentration upon base concentration. pH plus the other, you have to find the pH. pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus POH. pH is equal to 14 minus pKb plus log salt concentration upon base concentration. This is the pH of acidic buffer and the pH of basic buffer. Next to go for buffer capacity. Buffer capacity. What is meant by buffer capacity? Then buffer capacity. Listen, is denoted by the buffer capacity is defined as the number of moles of acid or bases is added. Change in pH of 1 liter of buffer solution. If we take the 1 liter of buffer solution, 1 liter buffer solution, if add the acid, if add the OH minus ion, change only if you take the 1 liter of buffer solution, change in pH of 1 liter solution by 1 unit, that is called as buffer capacity. Buffer capacity is defined as buffer capacity is defined as the number of moles of acid or base added to change pH of 1 liter of buffer solution, 1 liter buffer solution by 1 unit. By 1 unit is called as buffer capacity. Buffer capacity is equal to number of moles of acid or bases added in 1 liter buffer solution, 1 liter buffer solution by change in pH. That is called as buffer capacity. Buffer capacity is defined as the only number of moles of strong acid, sorry, number of moles of acid or base, number of moles of acid or base added to change pH of only 1 liter of buffer solution by 1 unit. That is called as buffer capacity. With buffer capacity is maximum. Buffer capacity is maximum. Those solutions which have equimolar concentration, weak acid and its salts, or weak base and its salts, Buffer capacity equimolar concentration of weak acid and its salts, of weak base, salts are weak base and its salts. Suppose suppose acidic buffer, salts concentration is equal to acid concentration. Already you know that acidic buffer formula pH is equal to pKa plus log salt concentration upon acid concentration. Salt concentration is equal to acid concentration. We can write our pH is equal to pKa. And in basic buffer, salt concentration is equal to base concentration. Already you know that pOH is equal to what? pOH is equal to pKb plus salt concentration upon base concentration. Then write the salt concentration is equal to base concentration. pOH is equal to pKb. These solutions are buffer capacity maximum for those solutions which have equimolar concentration of weak acid and its salts or weak base and its salts. This buffer capacity is maximum. Buffer capacity is defined as the number of moles of acid or base added to change the pH of 1 liter of buffer solution by 1 unit is called as buffer capacity. Buffer capacity is maximum for those solutions which have equimolar concentration of weak acid and its salts or weak base and its salts. Salt is equal to acid, concentration is equal to acid concentration, pH is equal to pKa, pOH is equal to pKb. Last blood as a buffer solution. Blood as a buffer solution. The pH value is 7.4. pH value is 7.4. Blood as a buffer solution. If any change in pH of blood can produce illness or even causes of death. Okay, blood acts as a buffer solution, and maintains pH about 7.4. Any change in pH of blood, can produce illness or even causes death. Blood acts as a buffer solution and maintains a pH level about 7.4. Any change in pH of blood can produce illness or even causes death also. That's why blood is a buffer solution.